Hi, my name is Otia Morris, and I work for the Center for Weight Management, and I'm here with a few of the members from our team. Mercedes Hall, who is a nurse practitioner such as myself, Sheena King, who's our dietitian extraordinaire, Dr. Havilana, who's our medical director for medical weight loss, and Heather Felt, who's also our second dietitian. So today we're going to be talking about information on meal replacements. It's always the talk. Do I need to start a meal replacement? How do they help me to lose weight? So Dr. Havilana, the first question is for you that comes from our panel. How do meal replacements help with weight loss?
Well, I think they help in multiple ways. Number one, it gives you the right amount of nutrition that you need that a body needs. It gives the right amount of protein, the right amount of fat, the right amount of carbs, so you're not deprived of anything, and it's 100% fortified in all the nutrients that you need. The second is that it resets the stomach for satiety. It tells your body how much your stomach is supposed to accommodate, so that people who tend to be overeaters know that this is what's going to be the set limit now. We don't usually eat to a level of 10. We from 0 to 10, we think of 0 being starving and 10 being overly full. We're supposed to eat to a level of 5, and this kind of helps you do that. The third thing is that they're just easy and fast. I kind of akin them to like a power tool. If you ever tried to put IKEA together with those little Allen wrenches, takes forever, hurt your fingers. So these meal replacements can definitely give them a heads up fast forward into helping them lose weight as easy as 1 to 5 pounds per week, and just by mixing up a drink is basically all you need to do. Open up a packet, pour it into 9 ounces of water, shake it or stir it. You got a warm soup, a warm drink, a hot 17 different flavors of cold drinks, from tropical to chocolate, and then 3 different flavors of puddings. So it's super easy.
With all of that you said in terms of how easy it is and how patients can lose the weight, based off doing the meal replacement, some patients will ask me, well, do I have to do the meal replacement? And it's not a have to, but it's definitely you should try. They don't taste like any of the other things that you taste out there on the market, the ones that we use. I find that if a patient does at least one a day, it's usually recommended for most of our patients to do at least one a day if you can, you will get some weight loss. You will get some satiety with it. You will get some regularity in your eating. So not that you have to, but I would definitely say you should try it. Another thing that we hear from patients, so you go, all right, you want me to do this protein, I need this amount, I agree with what you're telling me. What about the supplements? What's kind of creeping in is this collagen supplement that patients talk about. How does that go along with that, and if it does?
Well, collagen is an animal-based protein, okay? So you have animal proteins and you have plant-based proteins, and you get all of the amino acids from your animal proteins, but your plant proteins are going to be missing a couple of those essential amino acids, or amino acids in general. Collagen is widely used. Your body has a lot of collagen in it, so you absolutely can use collagen if you want to. That's probably, you're going to be missing some amino acids if you use just a collagen or a collagen-based protein, but some of that's probably better than nothing.
I'm thinking about the amount of protein that a patient should have for weight loss. So Heather, help me out with this. Is there a set number that patients should have for protein intake to keep this muscle mass that Sheena was talking about, and also gauging weight loss?
So general guideline for amount of protein that we need for weight loss would be 60 to 80 grams per day. Sometimes it's more. Sometimes it's less, depending on the person and disease states as well. But we need, number 1, high quality protein to help maintain our lean muscle mass, and number 2, enough protein. So aiming for 20 to 25 grams per meal. So what's great about the meal replacements is that you're getting a really good amount of high quality protein. Even just using them for breakfast, because it's really hard to get 20-25 grams of protein in for breakfast.
Are there other options, Mercedes, for patients who can't do the meal replacements?
Yes, so I think that's a good thing about our program, is that we also have the food-based program available. So we have patients that sometimes they cannot tolerate the shakes. They do try them, and it just doesn't settle well with their stomach. So we can do a food-based program. So we really work with the good thing is we're a team, so we work with our dietitians as well to make sure that our patients can eat a high protein and low carbohydrate diet. So it's not definitely it's not a requirement to do the meal replacements, but if you do tolerate it, we definitely recommend you to at least use one.
So we
Yeah.
can still help patients hit that 60 to 80 grams a day, even if they're not a candidate for the meal replacement.
Yes,
You're saying that? Okay.
absolutely.
Although there's lots of different formulations, right?
Correct.
So if people are pea proteins as well, and or vegetable proteins, so plant-based proteins as well. So we have something that fits all kind of lifestyles, I guess, is what I wanted to put in there. Is that
Yeah.
you know, people who are vegan, people who are vegetarian, people who only eat
Correct,
fish and chicken,
correct.
people who won't eat beef or won't eat pork for religious reasons. And I think we have something for
We
everybody.
got something for everybody, so nobody's missed out in that.